This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your exact My Model and MIUI version, because procedures differ between devices. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi or a PC. A power cut will ruin this. Back up your data to My Cloud, Google, or local storage. You will lose personal files when unlocking or factory resetting. Now, enable developer options and USB debugging if you plan to use the My Unlock tool or ADB, so the phone will accept commands. You choose a method. First, attempt My Account Unlock through Settings or the Find Device function. It's the safest way. If that fails, use the My Unlock tool on a PC to unlock the bootloader. Follow prompts precisely, wait required unlock period, and avoid interrupting the process. Once bootloader is unlocked, you can flash or remove passwords. As a last resort, boot into recovery mode and perform a factory reset. This wipes data but removes the lock. Throughout, follow on-screen confirmations carefully. You complete the process by setting up the phone after restart. Sign in with the same My Account to pass activation or FRP locks, because the device checks account ownership. If the phone remains locked, make sure the bootloader unlock waiting period expired and retry the official My Unlock tool, or contact My Support for account verification. If you used ADB or flashing, ensure OEM unlock was enabled. Otherwise, you will face permanent data loss. One key tip: keep a record of account credentials to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.